Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are preparing pretty well for your CSIR as well as your SET examination. So this is the next part of the free crash course by bio.com. So this is another important video in which I will discuss some new questions from the standard reference book which are very much important, so don't miss it, and please do watch the video till the end to get insights of what can be asked in your upcoming CSIR as well as SET examination. So all these questions of today's session are new, so please don't miss it, and if you like my efforts, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos. And also I will request कि जितने भी playlist में videos हैं CSIR rapid revision के, please go through it because all these are made by keeping in mind the syllabus as well as the important points which are frequently asked in various examination. So this is the very first question in which you have to match the column A with the column B. So let's go on to the answer and then discuss that what are the correct matching. So the uncoating is related to the release of viral nucleic acid into the host cell, that is known as uncoating. So when the viral nucleic acid is released inside the host cell, so that is known as the uncoating. Now positive plus RNA. So this can be directly converted by host cell ribosome. So this can be directly translated into protein by the host cell ribosome. And polyprotein, so as the name suggests, the usual initial product of the translation of viral mRNA. Polyprotein means translate होके protein बन चुका है multiple. So this is known as the initial product of translation of the viral mRNA. Now late virus protein. So the late virus protein is the usual viral structure protein which is produced following the replication of the virus nucleic acid. So late virus protein means they are synthesized after the replication process by the virus nucleic acid. So what are the key pointers of this question? This question can become in the C section as well as in the B section because this is an easy matching question. So what are the major pointers through which more questions can be arise like this? So let's see it. So all these are important pointers through which a statement based question can be asked in the CSIR C section. So the positive or plus strand RNA viruses have genome that have the functional mRNA. So they can be directly translated by the host cell ribosome to produce single polypeptide or polyprotein. And also following the entry into the host cell, जैसे ही virus host cell में entry लेता है, so the capsid is uncoated to release the nucleic acid genome inside the host cell. And also the early virus protein are produced before the virus genome replication, but the late virus protein, as the name suggests, late, so they are normally structural component of the virus and are produced after the genome replication. Virus protein are synthesized before the replication process and late virus proteins are synthesized after the replication process and they are the structural component of the virus. So I hope ये चारों pointers आपको काम में आएंगे. आप इससे अलग question भी अगर आता है इससे मिलता जुलता similar, so you will be able to solve it. Now another matching question which is equally important, and this can be asked in the CSIR B as well as C section. Now here is one more important point I want to share. All these questions are new. These are not PYQs. So don't miss it and watch till the end because if you want to score high, this is very much important. This session is so useful for you because I provide the point-wise explanation that is very much important to solve any other question related to the same topic. So don't miss it. And do watch the video till the end and make pointers in your notebook so that you will be able to solve any statement based question. So you have to match the extensins, cellulose, pectins, lignins. So let's see the answer. So the extensins are the group of structural proteins of the cell wall. Extensin आएगा, so it is the structural protein of the cell wall. Cellulose is a polymer that confers the tensile strength to the plants. And pectin is a polysaccharide with multiple negative charge on it, and lignins are phenolic polymers. सो लेट्स सी दी पॉइंटर्स बिकॉज दिस इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट कि इससे मिलता जुलता कुछ वर्डिंग चेंज करके कुछ और क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द की पॉइंटर्स. So the plant cell wall has a fibers in matrix structure and the fibers are largely of cellulose which confers the tensile strength. And the matrix is composed of negatively charged polysaccharide. The cell wall also contains some structural proteins which are known as the extensins. The mature plant cell wall may be lignified with different phenolic compounds. So all these pointers can be asked in different way either in the B section or in C section. Now another combination based question. So this can also be asked in your exam. Which of the following statement are true of the group of signaling molecules called icosanoids? Select all that applies. It means this has more than one correct option also. This is also possible कि एक से ज़्यादा correct option हो. So इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में मैंने आपको पहले ही अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोज़ में बताया है what should be your approach. सो ऐसा ऑप्शन पकड़िए जो आप 100% श्योर है कि सही है या फिर 100% श्योर है कि वो फॉल्स है या इनकरेक्ट है, एंड एज पर इनकरेक्ट या करेक्ट उसके हिसाब से ऑप्शंस को एलिमिनेट कीजिए एंड करेक्ट आंसर निकालिए. सो सबसे पहले तो इकेसिनॉइड्स क्या होता है? सो इकेसिनॉइड्स आर लिपिड बेस्ड सिग्नलिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स दैट प्ले अ यूनिक रोल in different responses. So the major icosanoids are prostaglandins, leukotrienes, which are important in the innate immunity responses, and also these are synthesized by the arachidonic acid and other polyunsaturated fatty acid. So इसका correct option क्या होगा? Icosanoids are derivative of arachidonic acid. So this is true. Icosanoids include prostaglandins, thromboxanes and leukotrienes. This is also true. Icosanoids are usually autocrine signaling molecule. This is false because they are paracrine signaling. So यहाँ पे आपको autocrine भी पता होना चाहिए, paracrine भी पता होना चाहिए. Icosanoids can be synthesized from fatty acid derived from membrane phospholipid. This is also true. So the correct answer will be option A, option B and option D. So option C was incorrect because icosanoids are generally functional in a paracrine manner but not autocrine. These icosanoids include prostaglandin, thromboxanes and leukotrienes, and they are synthesized from arachidonic acid and other polyunsaturated fatty acid that are similar to the arachidonic acid, usually around 20 carbon units in length. So this is also an important question. इस टाइप की आपको सिग्नलिंग पे क्वेश्चन देखने को मिल सकते हैं कि कौन सा सिग्नलिंग का कौन सा रिसेप्टर होता है एंड हाउ दे फंक्शन. उनके बेसिस पर क्वेश्चन आना पॉसिबल है इस बार में. सो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को बिल्कुल मिस मत कीजिए. नाउ अनदर मैचिंग क्वेश्चन विच इज़ अ न्यू मैचिंग क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू मैच द माइक्रोफिलामेंट, इंटरमीडिएट फाइबर्स, माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स एंड MOC. So let's directly move on to the answer. So the microfilaments are related to the microvilli of the brush borders and intermediate fibers are involved in the, या फिर ये किससे related है? न्यूक्लियर लैमिना से. Microtubules is related to kinesin and dyneins and MOC, that is microtubule organizing center, is related to the mitotic spindle. So now let's have some insights about all these options. So the microfilament are also known as the actin filament. These microfilament are also known as the actin filament, which are a protein filament in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell that forms the part of the cytoskeleton. So ये एक key point है. And now this bundles of actin fibers supports the microvilli of brush borders. So therefore इसीलिए माइक्रोफिलामेंट का मैचिंग जो था वो माइक्रोविलाई ऑफ ब्रश बॉर्डर से था बिकॉज एक्टिन इज अ माइक्रोफिलामेंट. नाउ द न्यूक्लियर लैमिना इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट टाइप ऑफ फाइबर विच इज अ प्रोटीन नोन एज द लैमिन्स. सो न्यूक्लियर लैमिना जब आए तो उसको मैच करना है लैमिन्स के साथ में. नाउ काइनेसिन्स and dyneins are two motor proteins which are associated with the microtubules, and in most of the cell the MOC, that is the microtubule organizing center called the centrioles, reorganizes the microtubule of the cytoskeleton to form the mitotic spindle. इसीलिए उसका मैचिंग mitotic spindle के साथ में हुआ. So this is also an important question. ये भी आने के पूरे चांसेस है इस टाइप के मैचिंग. So आप फिर से एक बार देख लीजिए. माइक्रोफिलामेंट, इंटरमीडिएट फाइबर, माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स एंड एमओसी, इनसे रिलेटेड क्या क्या ऑप्शंस मैच हो सकते हैं, दिस इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. Now another important matching question which can be asked in this 2024 examination. So you have to match desmine, nestine, keratin and lamines. So now desmine is found in the muscle tissues, nestines are found in the neuroepithelial stem cell, keratins are found in epithelial tissues and lamines are found in all eukaryotic cells. So let's remember the key points. So desmine has a supportive function in the muscle cells specifically, while nestine has an unknown function or more than one function in the neuroepithelial stem cells. And as we all know, keratin provides mechanical strength to epithelial tissues and lamines from the nuclear lamina, अभी हमने एक और मैचिंग देखा था इससे रिलेटेड, found in all eukaryotic cell. So all these 2 to 3 pointers are equally important. So let's revise it one more time. Desmine जो है, it is an important supportive role होता है muscle cells में, while nestine का function अभी known नहीं है, but it is involved in the neuroepithelial stem cells. Keratin जो है, it is for the mechanical strength in the epithelial tissues and lamines from the nuclear lamina is found in the eukaryotic cells. Now one more question which is important. So the question is, the target cell of a lipid soluble hormone such as cortisol are able to respond to it because of which of the following? So the question is about target cell जो होते हैं lipid soluble hormones के, जैसे कि cortisol की बात करें, they are able to respond to it because which of the following property? Their genome includes the appropriate transcriptional response element, they have membrane bound cell surface receptor, only target cell express appropriate cytosolic receptor, the hormone receptor complex stimulates the phosphorylation, dephosphorylation of subsequent protein in the signaling pathway. So the correct option is only target cell express the appropriate cytosolic receptor and therefore they are expressed. So the right answer is option C. So the hormone receptor complex enter the nucleus and modulates the transcription of an altered protein complement. And ये इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन कि कौन सा रिसेप्टर कहाँ एक्सप्रेस होता है, क्या यूनिकनेस होता है, ये सारी चीज़ें हमेशा पूछी जा सकती हैं. सो डोंट मिस इट. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching and please do watch the other videos of the playlist because this is very much important. And एक भी वीडियो से ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपको कुछ गेन नहीं हो रहा है. So do watch it and thank you so much.